dry land. I'm an alligator man. I hunt the gator all night long, take his hide and then I'm gone to see my Bella Bayou Shin, who loves her alligator man. Yeah. Town, all the people gather round, they just want to shake the hand of this tough alligator man. This bayou country is my home, from this place I'll never roam. Yeah, I'm the leader of a clan known as the Alligator Man. Some people search this world for fame. Fighting gators is my game, and all the scars upon my hand prove I'm an alligator man. Mosquitoes buzzing round my head, Spanish moths for my bed. I very seldom see dry land, 'cause I'm an alligator man. Let's go one more time.
Alligator Man.
Alligator Man.
Good song. Good song.
Yeah, man.
Jeez. We're back up here at Carmine's Country Corner. And boy, Palmer, you just made it by about 4 minutes today. You had us sweating for a minute. We thought, God, maybe we're going to do it without a drummer. And then I'm glad you're here. That's all I can say. You know, like John says, if you get well, like you're almost late, everybody's really happy to see you. You know. You know, so there's something to that, showing up at the last minute. You know, it's kind of a good thing. So, Paul.
Carmine.
How's the week?
Oh, busy. Working in the studio all week long. And, you know, it's all good.
Is John Lee White working with you on that
Yes,
project?
he is.
Good.
Yes,
good.
he is. He's going to be over at my place on Tuesday with Aubrey Richmond, a great fiddle player.
Oh, she's so good.
Yeah, so.
She was funny. We were at the write-off room one night. I think that's a big, tall girl, right?
Yes, she is a tall girl.
Good look, and reads music really good. And
I
everything.
suppose so.
Oh, no, she does. She's a great reader. So we're at the write-off room, and they're all reading musicians. Yeah. These guys are the best in L.A. They all go there to play well. Lucky me again, because I know a few people. Dylan Thomas, or whatever his name, I think it was Dylan Thomas. He says to me, Carmine, you want to sit in? I said, yeah, I'd love to.
Dylan O'Brien.
Dylan O'Brien, that's what I'm thinking of.
Great singer.
And piano player,
Yes.
and guitar player.
Yes.
He's a good musician. Anyway, we did work years ago with Gib Gilbo, and he was there. We did some shows and stuff. Anyway, so he gets me up, and they do like a country thing, and I'm okay on country music. I could sneak by. Now they do some production thing, and you see them all reach for this music, and they open it up, and I got nothing. I'm just sitting there. So hey, I got my ears. You know, that's 70% maybe of
More
it.
than halfway there.
I'm kind of listening, you know, okay, I think I know what they're doing, so I'm playing second chink, you know, the upstroke. You know, I'm not going to get out there too much. It's going to add a little, stick with the drummer, with the backbeat. You know,
Got time to hear what the chord is.
yeah, play it safe, you know. So, comes to my solo, he looks at me and wants me to take a, so I do, and I fake it, folks, I faked it okay, but a guitar player would know that boy's in trouble. You know, like he's swimming in water over his head, but he's doing okay. Anyway, Audrey, so funny. She's standing next to me, and there's a music stand in front of me, which I was paying no attention to, and she grabs her music, she reaches over and puts it in front of me, which just makes the water deeper for me. It's like, so I say to her, just like right in the middle of my soul, I'm hacking this thing out. I said, "What do you want me to do with that?" She laughed, but we had a great time. And you know what? Next time I went in, he got me up again. So I didn't totally bomb, but I was sweating it because these guys, Don Peaks, and all these great players, really good guys. Okay, that's enough about me and getting myself in trouble. What else? You want to do one right off the bat? Go ahead, Gary.
Why not?
Let's do it.
I was going to do that other Vince Gill tune, not the one that we do in the other.
We'll do the other one.
Well, you started out, I'm going to catch up.
What's that? Don't be insulting me. Because I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm just.
Gary, you walked in here mad.
I did. I woke up mad. You may have heard about me. You may have heard about me punching out like 5 road rage drivers, but it happens. Here's a tune I'm going to make up in my head. Yeah, it's going to have a G in it. It's going to have a G right in the middle. Hold on, these things they get out of hand. Too many damn knobs and buttons. No? Never heard that,
folks.
never heard that sound before. Okay, everybody shut up. Where am I at? I used to know how to play organ. Keyboard. Hold on, tell another story.
Oh, do a song. We're going to do one while you get
Why ain't he listen, they ain't gonna help him sing another song. I gotta get the.
So Carmine, you proved the old adage that if you wanted a guitar player to turn down, you put a music stand in front.
I shut up and she did that. I threw my hands up like I give up. You got me.
Okay, this is the thing that you have to sometimes reboot. But you haven't asked me how the association is.
How they doing?
They're doing great. I went out on tour, you know.
Yes.
You probably noticed I wasn't here.
Yes.
You sure?
Oh, absolutely.
Anyway, we played all over the East Coast, and I subbed for one of the guys got really sick, had to go to the hospital, so they brought me in, and I think I did a wonderful job because they won't tell you that. Well, they will. But they go back out in 5 more days with the guy that I replaced, so I hope he stays healthy. Face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I look here, wishing you were mine. Standing here holding big biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees and I lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, I feel so helpless. I feel just like a kid. What is it about you makes me keep my feelings hid? Try to tell you, ooh, but the words can't be found. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees and I lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. And when you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wishing you were mine. Standing here holding biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, and when you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, whenever you come around, whenever you come around.
Yeah, man, good job.
Yeah.
So I was at the store today, and with Susie, my wife, and they had this kind of a foam cowboy hat made of foam rubber, and it was all about the soccer games, the World Cup, which is big. It had a little thing on it that said World Cup, and they were selling it for half price, so I bought it, and I'm gonna have my daughter Kim go over to my car and get that hat. Could you do that for me for a minute, honey? And after this next song, I'm gonna ask what you guys think about this hat. But I was kind of celebrating the soccer thing, you know. I mean, America's out, and I think England's still in the motherland. You know, I'm kind of rooting for them a little now. Argentina is still in, and our very good friend Gonzalo. Yes, very good friend of mine. Great guitar player. Okay.
Yeah, well, I can tell you what I think.
Oh man,
So
let's go.
Little Jimmy Chicken
This is what I saw, and it was $7 full price and $3.50 half price, and it says American, not American, the World Cup on it. Have I got it on straight or back? Okay, so I thought, well, I got to buy that, and just because you know it's at the end of the games now, right? A couple more teams.
You should have bought two of them and used the other one to cover that one.
Well, I only had one, and I was lucky to have this, so you know. But anyway, and plus I didn't have $7. I only had $3.50.
Yeah.
So anyway, okay, I'm gonna take it off. I just thought that
No,
was
you
kind
look
of
good,
funny,
man.
and I bought it.
You're not going to play a song with it on? Leave it on. Leave it on. It's going to bring fans. Soccer fans. Yeah, well, where'd Carmine go? Oh, there he is.
I gotta tell you, I really feel stupid. But for all those great soccer players that entertained us, I'm not even really a soccer fan, but there was so much of it. You start kind of getting into it, you know, watching them. The clock's running out, and these guys are working hard. Boy, I'll tell you, that's a tough game.
They work a long time for
That's
not very
not-
many scores.
Yeah, you know, like basketball, you know.
Basketball, I score 100
Well,
points.
that's one reason why I don't hate basketball, but I don't waste my time watching it. Because the two teams, before they even start, know they're each going to get 100 points. Before the game even starts, you can't stop the other team from getting 90, 100 points. And, you know, and they can't stop you. So it always comes down to that last three-pointer or something at the last minute. Yeah, it's like just watch the game in the last 2 minutes. You can see the whole game. What are you wasting your time for watching these guys run back? But that's also a tough sport. And here I am trying to talk a little serious with this hat on. That's hard to do. What do you got, Paul?
All right, well, I did one Louisiana song. Let's do another one. It's called Big Bayou Carry Me Home.
That's a good Gilmore song.
Yes, it is. It's a Gib Gilbo song.
I'll tell you that story later. Okay, E, right?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I took a long, long trip to the city. I was determined to get somewhere, and I spent all my hard-earned money that I saved to get me there. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. I took a guitar picking job in Memphis, and the people there treated me good. But my luck ran bad in Nashville, had to walk the streets of Hollywood. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down to the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home, carry me home. lips are cold. Big bayou, carry me home. Well, big bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, to the Gulf of Mexico. Big bayou, carry me home.
Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel wearing this hat. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me.
I think you played better with the hat.
I would say so.
Thanks for putting up with me, folks. You're here watching Carmine's Country Corner. If you're watching it on Facebook, push like and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, subscribe. And the subscribe numbers have been coming up. And it's not bad. It's not in a great place, but it's good. We got people watching.
If
You want to do
watch-
another one, Paul?
If you're watching it on your microwave,
Oh, well.
seek help.
Yes. Next song, we're going to get Roy up. He's going to come up and do something. I don't know what yet. He never tells me what he's going to do until he gets up there. But we'll have him up in a minute.
Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. If you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I am coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home.
Come on up, Roy.
This part of this show has been brought to you by ST Products, makers of fine tractor trailer seats. Got a tractor trailer laying around your house? You need some new seat covers?
Grab that guitar and grab my microphone. He's going to take my mic and do something with us, and I'm going to sit down and
Is
relax.
he trading in his hat for the other hat?
What?
Is he trading his hat for the other hat?
Good, if he wants to. I don't know if that
I think we ought to make all the.
if that hat's worth it.
No, of course not.
I'm going to get a bad deal.
I think we ought to make all the guest stars wear it.
I'm going to do that Marshall Parker song, Can't You See? What key? D. See, nice and loud, what it like you own guitar. Oh. Gonna take a freight train down at the station, Lord. I don't care where it goes. Gonna climb a mountain, the highest mountain. Jump off and nobody gonna know. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't
you got to wear the hat.
Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I raised a lot of cane back in my younger days. While Mama would always pray my crops would fail. Now I'm a hunted fugitive with just 2 ways. I'll run the law or spend my life in jail. And I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I'm lonely, but I can't afford the luxury of having the one I love to come along. She would only slow me down if they catch up with me. For he who travels fastest goes alone. And I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. And down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. Yes, I'm on the run, the highway is my home. Come on, Chuck.
Thank you, Roy.
Come on up. Show 'em how to work that thing. Yeah, show me how to work that thing.
Now, is he going to wear the hat? What's up with nobody wearing the guest star hat? You see, Carmine, you were the only one with the nerve to put on the hat.
So Roy's friend Heidi said, I got a friend of mine coming up today, and I said, great. You know, we always like, wait, oh, there you are. We always like meeting new people, and this gentleman's name is Chuck Carter, and Carter, right? Oh, Hosser. Oh, gee, I heard that one. Chuck Hosser. I hope I said it right that time. And he's gonna pickle. Do you sing also, sir? I guess you do. Well, then, okay. We got another player in the house.
Hey, why don't
Good to
you,
meet you, sir.
his name was Arthur. There's an author in there, right? Right? Arthur, okay. We're gonna say his name right, because,
Check. Okay.
what's his name? Chuck Arthur. 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 Chuck Arthur. It's hard to
That's
get
fine.
that on a billboard, isn't it?
Well, nice to be here at Carmine's Corner with these wonderful country players who play country so wonderfully. And it's great to be here in front of Lefty Johnny, Waylon, Merle, and the hillbilly Shakespeare himself, Hank Williams, who in the key of A would soft time see a little baby at the rodeo and say, hey, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, won't you say, baby, we could make a brand new recipe. I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a place right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dancing's free, and if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, sweet baby, don't you say, baby, how about Compton hooking up with me? Take it, Carmine. Up to the D. I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a place right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dancing's free. And if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, sweet baby, don't you say, baby, how's about cooking something up with? How's about cooking something up with? How's about cooking something up with?
How about a hand with this guy? You come on more often. Whenever you want to, you come up and play with us.
I'll be back.
Oh, do another one.
Okay, this is in the key of G. Good key. And this one is by the king of Bakersfield, California, Buck Owens. And this one goes out to the late Don Rich, who left us too soon, but was an amazing, wonderful player, and you know all about that. And strangely, in the 60s, a group of English guys covered this and had a hit with it. And we did a song by Buck Owens because we thought it'd be good country music. So this is Ringo Starr as Chuck singing Act Naturally. Hey, they're gonna put me in the movies. They're gonna make a big star out of me. To make the film about a man that's sad and lonely. And all I gotta do is act naturally. Well, I bet you I'm gonna be a big star. Might win an Oscar, you can never tell. The movie's gonna make me a big star. 'Cause I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movie. Then I know that you will plainly see the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. And all I gotta do is act naturally. We'll make the film about a man that's sad and lonely, begging down upon his bended knee. I'll play the part and I won't need rehearsing. All I gotta do is act naturally. Oscar, you can never tell. The movie's gonna make me a big star. 'Cause I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movies. Then I know that you will plainly see the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. And all I gotta do is act naturally. Thank you.
Mighty fine, mighty fine.
Thank you, Drifting Cowboys.
Any weekend you want to sing a song, come up here and do it. All right, even though we can't hear you out there, folks, how about a hand for Chuck? He's kind of the newest member now of the Carmine's Country Corner group. Chuck, thanks a million, man. We'll see you again.
Thank you, Drifting Cowboys.
Good luck.
Down to your name somewhere so these guys can study it.
I'll tattoo it on
Heidi, I want to thank you for bringing up such a fine gentleman. Absolutely. That's great when you meet new people and they come up and they join the fun, and it's kind of what it's all about.
Mighty fine.
Mighty fine. Paul, what do you got? How much time we got?
12 minutes.
Oh, we got 15 minutes.
You know, they asked Buck Owens what his favorite record was.
47? Yeah, forget the button.
He said yesterday about the Beatles. Because that was on the B side.
Yeah, I know. I know. Unbelievable. What do you got?
I started loving. I'm gonna do one of Gary's favorites. I don't know why. It's just the only thing I can think of right now.
There you go.
In G. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartaches mend. Then today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I could get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst was yet to come, and that crying time for me had just begun. 'Cause today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. Then today I started loving you again. fool I was to think I could get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst was yet to come, and that crying time for me had just begun. 'Cause today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart in. Then the day I started loving you again. Yesterday I started loving you again.
Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Chuck's taller than I am. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Yeah, bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. I got it. And that old dog fight, and people they will treat you fine. That old dog fight, and people they will treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. If you see Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. See Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. You know what I like about playing like that is it's all the notes you miss. You wonder what they would have sounded like. You know, if you hit them.
They go by so fast.
I know.
You hardly miss them.
It's like. How much time we got? Paul, close it out.
All right.
Hey, thanks for watching, folks. We had a lot of fun. We met a new friend, Chuck. And Roy, thank you for getting up, playing with us. And Heidi, thank you for introducing us to this. Come back, Chuck. Anytime you want to come up, you got a place to hang. Dr. Kathy, God bless you. Love to see you. My daughter, Kim. And the boys. So we'll see you next week, 6 o'clock. Don't be late. What do we got, Paul?
Dark Hollow. A. No 4 minor.
Sit down on us. We're good.
You gotta be nice.
Take it around. 1, 2, 3. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Gary Swan. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Now so blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't Well, all right. Thank you, folks.
See you next week, folks. Don't be late. Thank you, Chuck. Thank